Are you in Uganda and wondering how to make money online? In this video, I will show you real ways to start earning using just your phone. These methods work in 2026, and some people are already making 100,000 to 500,000 Uganda shillings per week, even as beginners. Method 1. Content creation. You can start by creating content on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook. Post videos about money tips, lifestyle, or trending topics. As you grow, you can earn from views, ads, and promotions. Method 2. Freelancing. If you have any skill, like writing, typing, editing, or design, you can earn online. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You do not need experience to start, just learn small skills and grow step by step. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the best ways to make money online. You promote products or services and earn a commission. You can use WhatsApp, Facebook, or your own website. You do not need to own any product. Bonus tip: focus on one method, not all. Consistency is what brings results. Real talk: this is not magic money. You need effort, but it works if you stay consistent. If you want more ways to make money online, subscribe to Finjora Money Moves and let us grow together. Your phone is not just for chatting, it is your income tool.